Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Was out couple of days because was not available and was not able to post videos. So let's quickly look at what exactly the market is doing. Is it expected to do? Right. So last time we had the conversation or made the analysis video was like this day 17th, and we were expecting to go long above this. And in fact, this was a very good position to get long here because we already had this small pullback, and after that we had this small consolidation here. If you go to 3 minute chart, there was this a small consolidation here going on, and above this was the break, and we would have got long here. In fact, I did go long here, and just after moving the stop loss to this position, it got stopped out the same day. Right now, the next thing which Nifty is now doing, I was expecting that maybe this is the channel which will be getting hold and lower end of the channel will be tested in case. So as you see the analysis, this was the last high, lower high, then this was another lower low, very small one, then we formed the last leg of this swing forming this particular low. After here we started moving into uptrend. If you notice this, we started moving in uptrend. So what do we expect next? We still expect that the market is going to go in uptrend. So what is the definition of uptrend? It goes like there will be a pullback and we might see some retracement maybe to 50 or 61.8%. And what was the previous swing? How much retracement did it do? It did more than 61.8, even more than 70%. So this was a very deep pullback if you see. Now, now let's see the projection. If you remove these things, let's simply do the price action analysis. This swing was the retracement of this particular. You see this particular first leg of movement above. Now we got a deep retracement. So you see the projection. That means projection means how far the bulls were able to push it. It was above 127 extension of this swing. That means bulls were quite good. Their momentum was quite good. They had the upper hand over bear. So let's see, measure this swing. This is entire swing because above this is the only thing which we have got the break of structure. You see, this break of structure was here, and we have got the retracement. So possibly we may be headed to 61.8 retracement. That is not a guarantee. It never is. But we only go for things which look more probable. So if this is one leg and after this counter trend move, another leg is coming back, then possibly we will be coming into 18028 to 18020 range. That means this range. So what should be our bias? Our bias going forward is still is going long. It is still to go long, and that will be in fact more beneficial. But if you think to trade intraday, I think break of this low should be a good entry point for going short position, but in shorter time frames. You see, breaking this low, we will have to keep this stop loss somewhere around here, not much. If this is broken to the downside, 18080, then possibly we'll be putting this stop loss around 18132, and we'll play this until this region, this shaded region, which is 18028 to 18020, a rough shaded area. So this will be the primary analysis, and in case we are getting something like this or a gap up above this particular high, this one, then I think that will be much more easier to go long positions like this. But we will have to wait for this pattern or use this break of structure to the upside. Whenever you see a small break of structure above this structure, above this high, which is 18178, 18178, correct, then you will be going for long positions. All right. And shorter positions, I think they will be very limited. And if the low of today is broken, I think still think it will not be able to go very deep. Mostly it will be 18,050 or 18,028. So this is what analysis of Nifty says, and we are expecting for tomorrow. Let's see. The stocks as well. This is PNB. If you see, PNB just making upper highs, higher highs and higher lows. So this was a deeper pullback, and if we are able to manage to go above 57.5, it will be a long position. We can buy, keeping the stop loss around 56.5. So if it keeps on moving up, just keep trading the stop loss. This is Rain Industries. This was the previous high, a deep pullback, a good high, good new structure high. Again, a very deep pullback. You see, in the structure itself, it is just giving lower lows. But from here, we have started giving higher highs. So, in fact, our risky position should be somewhere around 177, keeping the stop loss around 176.75. But this is very near, and since the market is also weak, I'm not suggesting this pullback method. Instead, if it is breaking above 180.25, giving some pullback, a structure like this, and it is going to break up, then that will be a better position to open with a stop loss of 176.25, 176.75. Same mechanism for trailing behind every swing low. Indigo has been buying these days, airline industry, and a good buy will be above 2128.15 with a stop loss of 2110 just here. So this will be a very small stop loss play. So let's see how well it goes. ABFRL, this is a very weak stock in this market. So we'll be looking for shorting below 259.8, and again it will be having a very small stop loss here, 261.7, and keep trailing behind every swing high, and let's see how far it goes. So these are the stocks which you should keep on watch list for tomorrow's trading session, which is 20th. And let's see how well the market behaves yesterday as per our analysis. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe it and like it. If you have any confusion, just drop a comment. I'll be replying back. Till then,